Today we will make a short installation on a chassis point of this BMW Air 1200 from 2006. What we need for our installation is right now the battery switch from Battery No Problem, which arrived like this with a screw and the battery switch. We need a key 10 to fix up on chassis and a screwdriver. We will mount the battery switch behind this chrome piece, which we will take off right now. Well, what we got here right now is the original negative cable, which goes from the BMW to the negative. We will pull out this cable, make it here down. And this cable is a cable which we have prepared from the battery, from the negative. And these two cables will right now be mounted on this chassis point together with this battery switch. We will see right now. We begin the little installation. First of all, pull out the original cable negative from the BMW, pull out the chassis screw, fix together at a negative point with the original BMW negative cable, fix it up and good. So one point we have fixed up. Right now we unscrew the delivered screw from Battery No Problem and put it again with a negative to battery cable. Very important, the diameter of this negative cable has to be like the original one, more or less, to make sure the property connection. So in this case the installation is done. We have unscrewed right now the blue button. You can see here once again we got the original cable from the BMW and this cable which goes to the battery we have prepared before. Right now we make a little test. Make a little test. Right now it's closed. The BMW start. Well, okay, it's okay. Turn it off. Right now the BMW will be parked for 1 month or whatever. You cannot turn on the BMW, it's impossible because there's no battery. We have turned off this blue knob. If we take this blue knob with us, it's a perfect anti-theft device. We will put right now the chrome thing once again, and no one knows why this BMW don't works, because we take this little blue knob from Battery No Problem with us. That's all. It's the installation and the anti-theft device of a battery switch from batterynoproblem.com on a motorcycle. Yeah, enjoy it. Bye.